Well, it just finished raining. Let's go see what the Huckleberry Trail looks like. It was a pretty good little storm that came through. Tag along with me. Woo, chain slip. Yeehaw. Well, that always makes a ride a bit more interesting, huh? Wee-hoo. Wee-hoo. Wah, 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 wah. Pause for station identification, peeps. Do, do, do. Well, it appears there's a little debris that came down right here. Get this up. Choo. Choo. Wee-hoo. Wee-hoo. Phenoms. Hey, that's how I use one to get the other. As such. Now, there you go. Thank you, Lord. Back to the bike ride. Well, all said and done. So far, it hasn't been too bad on the trail. Pretty thrilled with that. So, it got pretty gusty earlier. But not too shabby, peeps. But would you look at that? I mean, for real. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Toda rabba, Abba. Boop. Hello, little birdies. Hello, little birdie. Oh, he's so cutie, cute. Wow, what a beautiful scene. A little adventure time. Come out and hang out with the rabbits. Hey, look at that whistle pig go. Whee! That's such a good one right there. Nice little hopper. All the wobble in the rear wheel. All the wobble in the rear wheel. Wobble, wobble, wobble. You. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Good enough for government work, y'all. Legit question. Who puts traffic circles on a recreational trail? For real. But who does? Well, here's a run I haven't done in a while, peeps. This is the Oshag and Nessie run, and this one's on Strava. Of course, with the fractured welds, definitely not trying to go my fastest run ever, but still giving it an A for effort, right? And that's a wrap. Well, here's a set I haven't done in some time. Track's getting a bit gnarlier, so I do need to take it easy. Legitimately. But yeah, that's another good little set. Whoop. All right, where to next? Ooh, I'm right here. Let's go hit the wall. See if I can conquer the wall again. Check out this cute little washout hopper. Whee! Off to the stair link to the wall. See y'all directly. All right, stairs to wall. This by no means says I'm gonna make it. There's been, fail. Try again. Hey buddy, go, go, go. Woo! Phew! So good. Peeps, how about a little price haul wall hop? Looks pretty open. Nice. That is such a fun little wall hop, for real. Whew. Can I get the wall walk up? I think I can probably just pop that actually. So stay tuned. New feature. Curb pop up onto this ledge. All right. Curb pop number one. Oh, nice! On the first go round. That was brilliant. Yeah. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. I guess I'll do a little pop down then, huh? Woo. And down. I actually got to do that again. That's pretty slick. Takes a little bit of pop, but in the end, it's a good little technique trainer. Okay, the curb pop onto the ledge is pretty sweet actually. Woo! Nice! Nice. And it's really good trainer for, especially when you come across things like on the trail. So it's super phenom for that. Let's give it another little go. I'm gonna do a different run-in. All right. It's phenom for technique, peeps. Yes. So good. All right. One more go. Here we go. If you don't really need the fastest run in, like I said, all technique. Yeah, just like that. All right, well, so stoked to hit that feature. But I believe I'm just gonna wrap it up, y'all. Get out of here, get home before that sun gets too far around the earth. All right, that was for ears to hear, for those who have them. But I'm out of here. Go love thy neighbors, peeps, and you'll watch the Lord do some incredible things in your life. And believe you me, it's not about the mountain biking. It's all about what goes down behind the scenes that all y'all does that y'all never even get to see. So that's what it's really all about. I'm out of here. Shalom. Well, you know, here's a set of stairs I have not cruised down in a little while. Not too bad. We're gonna do the other ones. All right, for this run, I will go down and see if I can link the wall. That'd be pretty cool. And now, limbs are a little low. Let's see. Can I squeeze through here? Not bad. And that's a full run. Ta-da. Here's one I haven't done in forever. How about a little upsy daisy? Yo. Made it. Yep. And back down. Is that called downsy daisy? How's it going, fellas? I said to say, there's stairs on the way. These are gonna be dumb slippery because they're so steep and they're wood. But that was brilliant. All right, continuing my journey. Bye. Whee! Obstacle. Cleared. Obstacle. Cleared. Hello, bunny. Woo! Dodge that one. Whee! Or 6. Whoop! And duck. And that's a wrap. Phew! That was pretty fast. Yeah, I gotta say on that note, them Trucker Co. brake pads that I have put on the front brakes are bang on. I am well pleased with them. So, phenomenal budget option if you're looking for a new set of brake pads that aren't gonna break your bank. There you go. I'm out of here. That's my review on the Trucker Co. brake pads for the Magura trail brakes.